girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just a dreamy.
Hi, love bunnies. I hope you guys are all doing so well. Welcome back to the Beauty House. As you guys can tell by the title, we are doing the Inside the Beauty Haus kit series episode 2. If you would like to see more of items that I've been waiting for in the mail, then continue to keep watching. Now, I was being good because when my packages came, I was itching to open them up. But I said, you know what? I'm going to open it with you guys. So everything is sealed. I didn't open anything. Okay, so we'll open everything up together. So first we have this box. And I ordered everything off of Amazon right now. But I am waiting for something to come in from She Glam. So I'm waiting on that package. So let's see, because I did order quite a few things. Oh, I'm so excited. So I needed to get a selfie light because one, to take certain pictures that I need to take to post on my Instagram, which is linabeautyhaus. Go and follow. But also for when I do my clients' makeup, at the end of it all, it just makes sense to take beautiful photos, you know. And so right now I don't have like a whole studio set up. So I said, you know what, let me just get a portable one. And so let's open it up. It's from this brand called Benzene. So this is the light that it comes in. Ooh, it has a little duster bag. It has the charger piece. It has this, which I'm so excited for. If I'm not mistaken, this allows it to swivel, I think, like forward and backwards and rotate. So that's cool. And this little clip part, which clearly would clip to your phone or whatever device. So, and this is the instructions. So I'm going to go over and read that a little later on. But let's look at this. Oh, this is a cool size. Because when I go outside sometimes, which is rarely, honey, when I tell you the girls have a whole setup, like, honey, okay? So I'm not going to turn it on just yet. But, oh, this is really cool. It has, like, the power button. It has different lights, different settings. Let me turn on a light. Jesus. That's what you call a light, and that's just in the corner. Oh my gosh. Honey, this light is so bright, it's gonna expose the truth and the lies, okay? You know, you better tell the truth and shame the devil. Okay? In the name of Jesus. But oh, I'm so excited now. I'm gonna read up a little bit more about it. And I think this was roughly, let me not lie to you guys, let me tell you right now how much this was. $12.59, which is not bad at all. I don't know how like the wattage and all that extra jazz happens, but honey, we just witnessed that is bright as a mother lover. Okay, so I'm extremely excited for that one. Next, let's see what we have next. This is a paper. Next, we have good. This is one of the contour palettes that I ordered. Now, when you guys watch my videos, I do already have a powder contour palette from the same brand, which is Black Radiance. And mine that I utilize is a color medium to, it's light to medium. So now for my kit, I ordered 2. So I ordered light to medium, but also medium to dark. So let me see. Okay, this one is the medium to dark. So this is us actually looking at this together. Oh, these are pretty. This has a little plastic on it. So it comes with your highlighter, your scope color, and your contour. We're gonna get more into what each does, but contour pretty much is what adds the shadows to the face. The contour, I'm lying to you. The contour is pretty much what adds the shadow to the face. and the sculpt, it pretty much just defines it a little more. These are gorgeous. I don't think the camera's really picking it up how gorgeous it is. And then it also has a highlight. At the top, it has like where to do the placement. But again, you guys know me. It all really depends on your face shape. So that's how you really know how to place it. This is just a generalization, okay? But this is gorgeous. I'm so excited, honey. Whoever you know, tell a friend, come to your girl, okay? I'm so excited. And the one that I have, but that's my skin tone, I love it. It does exactly what it needs to do. No complaints at all. So that's exactly why I had to buy it for my kid. The next one that we got is another little bag. Let's see here with that what we have. This is a eye cold pencil in nude. So when having your kit, if you just want it for yourself or if you are working on clients, to start out, it's good to have a black liner, a brown liner, a nude, and a white. White is optional, but you can never go wrong. Now these, I'm gonna open this up. Now you can never go wrong because those are neutrals. That's just really what it is. So I'm just gonna do a little, oops, I think I pressed too hard. Well, you see, that's a nice like nude shade. Now for me, if I was to do like a lighter color in my waterline, I'll probably do a nude. I wouldn't do white because of my eyes, white would be a bit too much for me. So a nude will work a lot better for me. So that's that. And this is from Wet n Wild Kohl Crayolan Pour de Stick. So that's that. And that same one came another palette in the packaging. So let's see. Ooh. So this is a lip kit that I got. Okay. This is the lip contour kit from Maybelline New York. So these colors, it smells like lipstick. So these colors are, again, like the blushes that I got in the other one, are like your nudes, pinks, berry tones. And I think this one is a white, so you could also say if you wanted a lighter color, then you would put this on, which is really cool to me. So you have your nudes, your pinky tones, and you have darker tones as well, which I think is really cool. They claim it's a light, like to line the lip and then to color it in. Honey, I'm going to do what I choose. Okay. I'm going to do whatever it is that I choose. But I'm so excited. And again, you also could play around with these. Mix it, match it, have it be lighter, have it be darker. So that's what's grand about that. Another little bag. I'm trying to not have these on myself or the area I'm in because it was outside. And so, you know, it's all dirty and Okay, so this is another Wet n Wild pencil. I guess it's like different packaging, but it came, I would assume this is the kind of packaging it comes in. So like I said, you need a black, a brown, and a nude. So this is it in Sema Brown. So they didn't have a black when I was looking for it. So I ordered my black from another company. So I gotta wait until that comes in the mail. But yeah, just same thing, just a brown. Actually, let me take it out the packaging because I would have to. Anyways, so let me just open it up now. Save that step for later. Like, why? Why put off till tomorrow what you could get done today? I was about to say that's always what I say. I'm lying because no, I don't. So I'm gonna take it out and let me try to do it lighter this time because I think I went a little crazy last time. Oh, okay. This is a nice brown. I think I watched a video and they said, you know, some browns you have to really look for because some could pull red. I think that's true. I think this is a real true, like, deep brown. So that is that. The next one that we have is, ooh, so I hope these are amazing. These are lip liners. For your kit, all you would need starting out would be a nice pinky lip liner, a burgundy reddish lip liner, a nice espresso lip liner, and a nice neutral natural shade to me. But I wasn't really finding anything online when I was looking. So I said, let me just get this pack because it costs pretty much around the same as if I was to buy them separately. So this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 colors. I don't think I'm going to swatch all of them for you, but I'm going to swatch a reddish one, a nudish one, and this pink one. So I'm going to swatch this one. This is called It's Mine. That's this color here. Let's hope these are nice. That is nice. Oh, that is nice. Okay. Okay. These are really nice. Oh, wow. Here, let me swatch a nude. They also have a black in here, which I think is really interesting. So I would assume, like, say if you wanted to do like an ombre, you could do that as well. So these are just 4 colors I swatched. Aren't these gorgeous? I think they pick up so much better on camera. These are gorgeous. Wow. Again, I was a little iffy, you know, sometimes a little iffy about things, but no, these I'm really excited about now. Oh, wow. Now I want to swatch all of them. No, these look really good. Wow. I might have to get these for myself, honey. Those look really, really nice. And so this is the last one that I have for this, because again, everything was sent separately. So I don't even know what is in this last one, honey. But let's see. Oh, yes. So I went online and I believe this was $17.99. And this is a kit with disposables. So this one came with, so it comes with disposables. So in this, it has, so you have your you have your spoolies, which of course you use for mascara because you're never gonna double dip. So you're gonna use for your mascara, the eyebrows. They do have eyebrow spoolies, but I'm gonna have to look into those. Then you have your lip ones. Gonna dip it in and then utilize it for whatever you need to utilize it for. And then you have, I think these are eyeliner pencils. Okay, these, like, they're really thin. These have a stiffness to it, but I guess maybe that's a good thing. The cool thing about it, I think, is over 200 and something that comes in this. The good thing that it does come in this case. So whenever you have to refill, you're just refilling up the case. So that's kind of the plus with this. So this has 2, 4, 6 compartments, which again is really cool in my opinion. It also came with, I'm not going to open it up, but it also came with a cape, which is good. You don't have to get one, but again, you never know. What if your client already has their clothes on and you're just doing the makeup? You don't want to mistakenly drop something and mess up their clothes. So that's why I got it too, for the cape, so you don't have to, like, buy that separately. And then this is what you need in life. Well, this is small. I remember them being small. So this is a mix-in palette in the spatula. So, you know what's so funny? I never looked up to why there is 2 different ends on the spatula, a pointy one and like a flatter one. Maybe I should look it up. but this is a palette. So what you would do with this, any of your cream products, you would scoop out and utilize this spatula. You take it out, put it onto your palette, and then you mix it and do what you need to do. So you work from your palette and keep it sanitary, for sanitary purposes. And it's mirrored. I'm not gonna like have it because you're gonna see everything. It's mirrored, so you're just gonna take it, you're gonna mix onto it, and you're gonna be good to go. Just wipe it down with alcohol just to be clean. So that was such a short unboxing. I thought it was a lot more, but no, it's not. So that's everything I got thus far to add to my kit. I'm so excited, you know, to start to build my kit. Everything is starting to come together. I'm so excited. I'm getting even more confident to get back out there and work on clients again. If you did want my services, you can always contact me at linabeautyhaus@yahoo.com. If you wanted to email me about booking with me, consultation, or anything of that nature. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram page, which is also Lina Beauty Haus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, put on your notifications, okay? Thank you so much for taking some time and sharing a part of your day with me. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are in the world. I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, as I always say, the foundation of beauty starts from within. Makeup is just the cherry on top. If you're interested in seeing this eye look, I do have a video of me recreating it. So you guys can follow along, recreate it, and show me what you got. Thank you guys so much. Mwah.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.